broken.
You coming to the car show tomorrow?
I see you tomorrow, my man.
You coming tomorrow?
Yeah, man.
You coming with me? What you gonna be wearing? What clothes you gonna be wearing? ¿Qué camisa tiene? ¿Qué camisa tiene?
Go on, keep going.
The producer.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, YouTubers, gunners, wherever the hell you're from. Glad you're here with me. Today is a little bit different. I'm not going to work on Mike's car. I'm not going to do the weight reduction stuff. We're getting ready for a car show tomorrow at MetLife Stadium. It's the Clean Culture Expo event, and it's already sold out. They have over, I think, 750 cars in the show. We're going to go there, bring the AK47, let people just come by and vibe with us. We'll have a tent there. We'll have merch there. I'll sign a bunch of stuff for people, show them some love. I can't wait. There's so many people that are showing up that are excited to meet me, but most importantly, I'm excited to meet them and hear their stories and see how this movement has affected them, the Keep Gunning movement. So today we're going to clean up the AK-47, put the tires on it, the slicks, clean up the trailer that I got from my buddy Mike. He lent me his ATC 24-foot aluminum trailer. It's so dope. So we're going to wash that. Me and 40's here. 40.
Good morning,
the
everybody.
people.
Every people.
Keep gunning.
Keep going.
47.
47 killer.
Pow. Yeah, we're just going to clean up a little bit before putting Mike's car in here. We're just going to move those doors, put them along here, and try to get it done. Try to get as much cleaning as we can because that car has really been kicking butt. So, yeah. This shop is getting a little too small. Thinking about expanding to like a 4-car garage, but not really taking work, but just have more space. I've got a bike I never ride here, and this is our pit bike, so a 4-piston crate. But yeah, we'll get it done. My boy all polished up. We just use water, we don't use soap or no sponges. And then we spray wax with some microfibers. Try to not get on the roof because it leaks inside the car. Here we go.
The producer.
All in its glory. ATC 24-foot aluminum trailer. It's got the side exit door. We're just cleaning it up right now, getting it ready for the show tomorrow. Cleaning the inside. I'm going to help 40 in a second. I just wanted to hurry up and vlog this. We're going to brush the inside. 40, make room for me. I'm going to walk this way. Yep. Brush the inside. Clean it all up. Got cabinets here. Got outlets here. LED lighting. So the AK is all cleaned up. You look at my boy Edgar.
Yo,
my man.
keep gunning, baby.
Yeah, just wash it up. Cabinets. Got locks on everything. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. Can't wait. Can't wait to see this puppy all clean. It's a sweet ass trailer, man. So, alright, let's get to the cleaning. Now as I'm drying this trailer, I remember coming back into racing and saying to myself, damn, I ain't got no friends in it, like, it's gonna be much harder to do it. But like the people that I've met through social media, like Instagram, and that became gunners, they changed my life too, yo. Because I met Mike on Instagram and he's been genuine since. And I remember like begging people to borrow their trucks to go borrow a U-Haul, to go rent a U-Haul trailer. And I knew that treating people the way that I wanted to be treated would get me far in life. But as I'm drying like this beautiful trailer that's basically mine, it just like, I start to recollect on stuff that happened in the past and like asking for help and basically getting ignored. But God is good for real, yo. God is good, yo. It's all cleaned up. Side exit is open right now. Cleaned it in and out. Hot chick guy. Yeah, but the ATC's all cleaned up. Hey, watch that trailer, pal.
I don't want to be in the movie.
Yeah, you in the movie now.
All right.
Yeah, she's all cleaned up, man. Looking good. What a war hero. Keep gunning, man. Alright guys, I'm gonna end up wrapping this this vlog up. I just wanted to share with you like what was my day today. The AK's all ready. Let's see if we get some good lighting in here. Hold on. Let me hit you guys with the Facebook light. Okay. But the AK's all done. He's ready to go. Waxed and cleaned. 40's watching some church stuff. I don't know what he's doing. But yeah, my boy's ready to, man. My boy is ready for the car show tomorrow. I'm super excited to meet a whole bunch of new people. I can't wait to shake as many hands as I can, sign as much stuff as I can. It's kind of been a long day, but yeah, he's gleaming, man. My boy is ready to go put on a show tomorrow at MetLife. If you can make it tomorrow, it'd be awesome. I can't wait to meet you guys. I'm gonna post this vlog up tonight. The trailer's all cleaned. In and out, actually, in and out. So, just waiting for the truck so my boy can go park it in his lot. Because there's no space over here, but yeah. Trailer's all cleaned up. I gotta go get some straps from Home Depot today. And that's basically it. It's been a great productive day. But after this event, the following weekend, I'll be in Crofton, Maryland. I'll be racing there. I can't wait to do that because I'm excited to see how fast the car goes. I haven't raced in a while neither. So, yeah. I'll keep you guys in the loop tomorrow. I'll vlog the event tomorrow. And that's about it, man. Thank you guys for all your continuous support. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I appreciate every last one of you, man. Keep gunning. Hey guys, real quick before I end the vlog, check this artwork that was sent by a gunner. She's a girl from, I think her name is Ari. She's from Canada. She hand painted this picture. Look at the detail on it, man. God bless her, man. So talented. I really wanted to share that with you guys. I hung it up right here. She sent it as a gift. I forget her Instagram, but she's amazing. Thank you so much for the artwork. This thing looks phenomenal. Look at the nice ones detail though. The 4 piston. This thing is badass. Keep gunning, gunners.